Want to automate your follow-up emails in GetResponse? You're in the right place. In this quick explainer, we'll walk through how to set up automated follow-up emails and streamline your email marketing. Stick around to the end because while GetResponse is powerful, I'll be sharing some alternatives that might be better suited for your specific needs, along with an exclusive offer. First thing you'll need is to log into GetResponse and go to the Automation section. Now, if you're new to automation, this can seem a little intimidating, but I promise you, it's pretty simple once you break it down. You'll start by creating a new automation workflow. Next, click Create Workflow and select a template or build from scratch. If you're creating follow-ups, a simple workflow template will do, but don't be afraid to experiment if you're looking for something more tailored to your audience. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to start adding actions. Next thing, let's add the Send Message action. This is where you can specify what your follow-up email will look like. Choose an email you've already created or create a new one. GetResponse makes it easy to add personalized content, so be sure to use dynamic content blocks like the subscriber's first name to make it more engaging. The fourth thing, timing matters. After your email is ready, set the delay for when it should be sent. This is a key feature in automating follow-up emails. You can choose to send the follow-up immediately or delay it by hours, days, or even weeks. Test this out to find what works best for your audience. After that, you can add additional actions like tagging contacts based on how they interact with the emails. Maybe they opened the first one but didn't click the link? You can follow up with them specifically, using a slightly different approach to try and re-engage. The next thing you want to do is review your workflow. Make sure that everything is set up as you want it, especially timing. You don't want to annoy your subscribers with emails that come in too quickly or not soon enough. Testing is key. Now, I know GetResponse does a lot of things right: automation, landing pages, and even webinars, but let's be honest, it does have some drawbacks. The interface can be clunky at times, and there are some limitations in the way you can segment contacts. Plus, the learning curve might be steeper for beginners, especially if you're new to email automation. So, here's the part I'm really excited to talk about. There are alternatives out there that might be better for your follow-up email goals. If you're after smoother workflows or better segmentation, options like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign could offer more intuitive interfaces and better flexibility when it comes to automating follow-up emails. Both of these platforms also offer a free trial, so you can test them out and see if they align more with your business goals. But before you make a decision, here's a special bonus for you. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial of GetResponse, which will give you more time to test all of its automation features. You'll also get some added benefits that are only available to our viewers, which is pretty awesome. At the end of the day, GetResponse does offer a solid solution for automating follow-up emails, but it's not the only option. I've shared some great alternatives that could help you build better workflows, segment contacts more effectively, and streamline your email marketing campaigns. Click the link below to grab the best deal for the trial I mentioned and explore those alternatives. So, whether you stick with GetResponse or try something new, automating follow-up emails is a game changer for your business. And don't forget to check out that exclusive free trial through the link in the description.